Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news of diverging economic fortunes between the US and Europe. American durable goods orders unexpectedly fell in May, driven lower by weakness in the aircraft manufacturing sector. It is the second month in a row of decreases, following rises in 5 of the previous 6 months. Without the aircraft sector, the result would have been essentially flat. Overnight, 2 Federal Reserve districts released surveys of economic activity, and the results were not positive. The Dallas one for their region came in well under expectations. The Chicago one was a national survey, and that one turned negative. North of the border, the Canadian Securities Administrators have proposed a ban on asset managers paying commissions to advisors for selling mutual funds. The regulator argues that this near-universal practice sets up a blatant conflict of interest, increases costs for investors, and damages returns. The proposals are similar to those recently introduced in Britain and the Netherlands, and due to be introduced across Europe in January 2018. There is determined pushback by the industry in Canada, claiming it will hurt savers. In China, a court in Shanghai has sentenced 16 employees of James Packer's Crown Resorts to prison for illegally promoting gambling in China. It's a clear signal that targeting Chinese gamblers is not a winning strategy. In Germany, business confidence there has hit a new high in June, already having reached a quarter-century peak the previous month. The closely watched Ifo Business Confidence Index set a new record of 115.1 points, defying expectations of analysts of a slight decline after it reached 114.6 in May, the highest since 1991. In Australia, Apple has moved to restrict how Westpac uses its platform, killing off an innovative element of the bank's appeal to users on social media. In New York, the US Treasury 10-year yield is lower yet again today on the weak durable goods data at 2.13%. And the price of oil is up a little today and is now just under $43.50 a barrel, while the Brent benchmark is just under $46 a barrel. The price of gold is sharply lower, down $12 and now at $1,244 an ounce. But that may get reversed because it was driven by an unusually large sell order of 56 tonnes. Markets are scratching their head over this. However, the Kiwi dollar is a little higher and just touching 73 US cents on the cross rates. We're at 96.2 Aussie cents and 65.2 euro cents. The TWI is now back up to 77.4, which is a 4-month high. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.